In primetime news this evening, be warned, Wholeness gives strongest hints yet of tougher COVID containment measures. Proposal rejected. Opposition told reducing debt payment will not be tolerated. And NHT respite. Unemployed contributors to get access to refunds a year early.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. This evening, we're asking, how prepared are you for stronger measures to contain COVID-19? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.